Today we're on location to show you how easy it is to install the most affordable UTV mirrors on the market. So our new friends at UTV Pro sent us these affordable mirrors to test for you guys. They're so easy to install, the first idiot you see could probably do it. I'm thinking it's as simple as 2 bolts and done. Hell yeah, looking sharp. I like them. So far the mirrors have been working out great. Backing up, I can actually see where my tire's going and keep the machine somewhat on the trail compared to before the mirrors. So check them out, UTV Pro. Thank you,